How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to do Kegel exercises that strengthen your pelvic floor. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. We'll get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys the best exercises to do to help strengthen your pelvic floor. So I'll just show you really quickly, you guys. Now, the exercises that I recommend is the bridge. So we'll do some exercises for the bridge. Then I'll show you another exercise that you can do. So we'll do 30 reps, you guys. So get into this position. Now, what we're going to do, all we're going to do is raise our glutes like so. That's 1, 2. Really make sure you contract your glutes when doing this. This will really help your pelvic floor and to hit your Kegel muscles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Make sure you squeeze your glutes again, you guys. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, you guys. So that is the bridge, best exercise in my opinion. Other exercise I will show you is a side leg lift. So get into this position, and all you're going to do is raise your leg like this. So do 10 reps, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So do it on the other side as well, you guys, to see the best results. Now, something that I want to talk about very quickly is just the amount of sets and reps you should do. In my opinion, 30 reps for the bridge is perfect. 30 reps for the side leg lift is also very good, but make sure you do 30 reps on one side, 30 reps on the other side. Make sure that you do the same amount of reps on both sides so you strengthen it the same way, you guys. Very important. But that's what I would do. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.